Is there a difference between being spiritually gifted and being called?
Yes, and one different between spiritually. Oh, what gift, but I called one. And then I that gift that we able gift to we God get it always on the anya. Yes, mana akpọrịa n'ọlụ pụrụ iche. Ekere ọlụ eke. Enwere ndị akpọrọ ọlụ ka ha bụrụ Mesaya. Nwee ndị akpọrọ ọlụ ka ha bụrụ ndị ga na-enyere ndị a akpọrọ ọlụ aka, supporting them. Example, abịa enwee called one. Enwere ndị na-supporting ministers. Abịa n'ụlọ ụka, enwere fada, enwere ndị catechist, enwere masaba, enwere other church elders. Ndị ahụ supporting team. So enwere onye nwere gift mana ọ bụrụ called one. That is only with personal gift for personal development. But again, ya mara iji wee maka ọha and see ka iwe what even need. When they were personal gift on their own. Mana ya will give to abro maka ọha. Thank you.
How can families support their loved ones who have a calling?
Yeah, families, all the family no will only well call in the board. Come in for ya Jaffa. Come in that cotia, but not we all banje, but not we can no. He gave me support a sport here when them work one them way. Cancel them. Waha the family name no natural one can be a far. He opened a hand alone a calling half of a hot. That is what my mother told me when I started. My mother is a cold one, but all the all. We also want Malu Among one day, father. You never know one who's taking the You have been giving me support from day one. But I hear that the man my mother will be around. That's what the whole way charismatic you. So you don't need a fight as long as one day now, Kubaki auto. Gary making them mother. Gary carry her job. Like all the carry her job, what is her job in her job? But I won't know Baraki auto name, you hear like a cheer. My dear, Oblonia Gayana, yeah. When I wanted to start my call, my mother equal. I was like, yeah, one day father and the family, I own family in Yoka. I insisted that this is what I want to do. That's all one that never approval. The money I made so I don't mind they have their compound. Their neighbor. And the weather opposite, the man go be. So okay, no problem. You want me to go and call you. That is how it should be. Thank you.